Hi guys, Surya Singh from Cryolite Security. This is my first video on this channel, so I would like to start off with how to set up your lab environment to safely practice penetration testing and ethical hacking, right? So we have two requirements. First is an VirtualBox and second is an Kali Linux. Kali Linux is an Debian Linux based operating system specially designed for hacking and penetration testing and offensive security kind of stuff, right? So for downloading VirtualBox, we can navigate over to virtualbox.org. You can download the latest version from here. And one more thing that I would like to add here is you can download the extension pack that would provide better compatibility with external hardware, especially if you are dealing with network penetration testing, right? Now for downloading Kali Linux, you can navigate over to kali.org, from where you can download the Kali Linux. Now there are several ways to set up Kali Linux on our computer, including WSL, Docker and cloud-based. But for fast and quick setup, we're gonna be using virtual machine image, which are basically OVA file, which stand for Open Virtual Application File. These are special files specially designed to run in a virtual environment. This could be of either an application or of an operating system, right? So you can download the virtual machine image from here. So you can download it from your browser or via torrent and verify the checksum for the data integrity, right? Now since I have already downloaded these two things, so let's now move forward to installation step. So installation step is very much easy. For VirtualBox, you just have to click on the next and leave everything to the default setting and it will install it for you, right? Now since I have already installed the VirtualBox, so I will abort this step, right? Now after installing VirtualBox, you will get interface something like this. Do remember that you won't get these two machines because I was already working on this machine and use this as my daily driver, so it is showing up here, right? But if you are doing it for first time, it would be completely empty, right? So for installing Kali Linux onto VirtualBox, we just have to double click on it and import it. And for now, leave all the setting to the default and we'll change it further, and click on agree for the license agreement, and it would hardly take 30 seconds to 1 minute, right? And there we are. So we have successfully set up Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So let's start it. We have to just click on start. And the default username and password for Kali is Kali, and password is also Kali. So let's full screen it by using host plus F button on our keyboard. So we have successfully installed Kali Linux on VirtualBox, and everything that we're going to be doing on this machine won't affect the normal function of our Windows machine. So that's it for this video. So if you like our video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you up in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.